Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to Scars and Grace. This is a space for the wounded and healing, for those who are learning to let go of shame, confront pain, and walk towards the light, one step at a time. I'm your host, and together we're going to talk about real things, the kind of things that hurt, and the kind of grace that heals. In this podcast, we'll explore how to forgive yourself when guilt has worn you down, how to stop avoiding the pain and start facing it with courage, the power of community, and how the right people can pull you from the dark, and the truth that healing is not a one-time event. It's a journey you take with God day by day. Whether you're wrestling with old wounds or just starting to feel whole again, this space is for you. You're not alone. You're not broken beyond repair, and you are not too far gone for grace. So if you're ready to heal gently, honestly, and with God leading the way, then come sit with me for a while. Let's talk about the scars. Let's discover the grace, and let's walk this road together. Welcome to Scars and Grace, where healing isn't perfect, but it is possible.